the facts dito, the accused was arrested for planting marijuana. Hindi planting evidence kasi nga meron siyang marijuana. The police failed to secure witnesses during the inventory. Sabi nila, malayo kasi judge. So, here, ang ruling is acquittal because remote location is not an excuse if the operation was planned and there was time to coordinate. Kung hindi kayo makalusot sa malayo or remote yung location, at least pwede kayong lumusot na you cannot justify doing the inventory right where the plantation is or right where the arrest was made. Kasi natatakot kayong may rumesbak na mga kasama niya and you're putting your life at risk.